In this video, we'll learn the step-by-step process of changing your YouTube account name directly from your mobile device. Whether you're rebranding, updating, or just want a fresh new name for your channel, we've got you covered. The process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. And the first step that you want to do is to open the YouTube mobile app on your device and make sure you are logged into the account on which you want to change the name. The next step is to click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner, and this menu will pop up with a bunch of different options related to your account. We'll click on the first option, which is your channel, and the option should be at the very top. You will see your YouTube channel open, and you'll see this little pen icon at the right side, so click on it. When you click on that pen, it will open our channel editor where we can change our profile picture, cover photo, YouTube handle, and all that other stuff. We'll change our channel name, so tap on this pen here, and just type a new name for your account. And it says here that we can change per name 2 times in 14 days, so just keep that in mind. When you are happy with your new name, just tap on the Save button at the top right and your changes will be applied. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.